I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'll be talking about 3-burner cooktop from the brand Glen, model number 1035 SSHFBBAI. Let's get started. Now this is a stainless steel cooktop from the brand Glen. You can see the Glen branding over here. Plus it has a very nice, very different shape, and this will definitely fit on your kitchen slab. And if you want to know the measurements, then let me tell you, the measurements are 720 by 455 by 130 mm, and the weight of the product is around 8 kgs. This stainless steel cooktop also has auto ignition. That means you don't need a lighter or a matchstick to ignite the burners. You just have to press one button and all the 3 burners are ready to ignite. Whichever knob you will move, that burner will ignite. Now to enable the auto ignition mode, all you have to do is put this battery which comes along with this cooktop inside the box, and once you put the battery, then all you have to do is press the button and turn the knob of the burner that you want to ignite. Now all the burners are of different sizes, but they all are made of brass. This one is the smallest size, this one is a medium size burner, and this one is a large size burner. Now this is a very good size. Here you can easily keep your 5-liter pressure cooker, your big size kadhai, any type of cookware you can use here. Plus these are brass burners, they are beautiful to look at, they shine and they does not blacken your cookware from the bottom. Here you also get these sturdy pan support. These are powder coated and they make sure that whatever cookware you keep on these pan support, they provide stability to your cookware. You also get this ring here on each of the burner, which makes sure that whatever you're cooking, if something spills out of the cookware, like you're boiling milk or you're making dal, anything that spills out of the cookware stays on the cooktop and doesn't go on your kitchen slab. And if I talk about this one, you also get a swivel nozzle which you can rotate in all the direction. It is 360-degree rotatable, which means on either side, from whichever side your gas pipe or pipeline is coming from, you can easily rotate this and then you can fix this on your kitchen slab. You also get this additional pan support which you can use on either of the burner, on the center burner or on the side of the burner. And I think it's a great utility item because in our Indian kitchens, obviously we always put tadka on a dal, so you can put tadka pan over it, or you want to reheat maybe vegetable in a small quantity, then all you have to do is put the vegetable in a stainless steel bowl and then you can keep that stainless steel bowl on this, and then you can reheat vegetable. You want to warm milk for your baby, then all you have to do is put milk in a small size pan or a bowl and then you can keep that small size pan over here. So you can convert any big size burner and then you can keep a small bowl or a tadka pan, whatever you want to use on this additional pan support. So all in all, it's a great cooktop from the brand Glen. You also get warranty from the brand. It's stainless steel, it's more hygienic, it's durable, it's rust resistant. Plus you get brass burners and you also get this auto ignition mode on this cooktop. This was it about this cooktop. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for more videos.